Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys overnight beauty tips, and it is related to hair, it is related to your feet, it is related to your face, acne, and it is 10 overnight beauty tips that works overnight for you. It doesn't mean that it goes in one overnight, but it is working in the process when you are sleeping. When you are sleeping, it works on your skin and it works amazing, like good for me. I tried it a lot and I hope it works also for you, and it is so amazing, and I hope you guys will love this video. If you seriously love this video, give us a big thumbs up to this video, and let's just get straight to the video. Okay, the first beauty tip is related to soft feet with Vicks. Okay, exfoliate your legs and after that use Vicks vapor, or you can rub a warm olive oil and give a quite good massage, and wear the socks on top of it, and you will end up getting baby feet overnight. The second thing is moisturize lips. How to moisturize your lips? Wake up and you want that pink soft lips, and you can exfoliate your lips with the brush and clean brush, and after that apply a thin layer of honey, or you can apply a thin layer of almond oil and sleep it, and when you wake up you will get a soft and moisturized lips overnight. The next thing, how to work on your split ends, and I know many of you girls are facing that split end problem. For working to, like, it always come in dry hair and you will get the very bad dry hair, and the split end looks so much visible. For that you can take aloe vera gel on your palm, and that take a good amount of aloe vera and apply it in the length where you have that split ends, and when you wake up in the morning you will end up getting quite of good split end, and you will work like good on it, and just apply a small amount on the ends of the split ends of your hair and before going to bed, and you will get the split end treatment overnight. Next thing is how to take care of your cuticles or your nail care. For that, you can, if you want that the softened cuticles over the night, you can use a small amount of coconut oil and apply it on your cuticles, or you can apply shea butter, cocoa butter on your cuticles and apply on your full nails, and it will moisturize your cuticles and strengthen your nails. So the next thing is how to get the eyebrow, or same as for the eyelash growth. If you want to moisturize and condition your eyebrow as well as your eyelashes, and to make them grow longer and stronger, and by only using castor oil, apply castor oil on your eyelashes and as well as your eyebrows, and it will help them to grow longer and faster and stronger and thicker. You just take a q-tip and clean q-tip and apply castor oil on it and rub it all over your eyelash thing and on your eyebrows, and you will get faster, thicker and longer eyelashes and as well as eyebrows. About the hair care, and for the healthy hair and better sleep, you just take a small amount of warm hair oil into your roots and just massage it properly, and mix your favorite oil, just little bit, a few drops of lavender oil, and it will give you that healthy hair. It will give you a healthy hair, and as well as you give you a better sleep. And you can use your fingertip to smoothly to massage it all over, and it give you this circular motion for faster hair growth, and you will get the healthy hair as well as the best sleep in the world. Next thing is to moisturize your face. To cleanse and exfoliate, to deep clean the skin from dirt and makeup, follow up the good moisturizing process to rejuvenate your skin overnight. Use a small drop of facial oil. You can use right now, the Nykaa currently give you essential oils and facial oils, and it is so cheap. It's just for 350 rupees. You can go and purchase it for you, and there are many variants in it. You can go and purchase it, and you just need a small drop of facial oil and under your night you can take your night cream and few drops of facial oil, just mix them and apply it on your face. And you can even massage it with the avocado oil, or you can even massage it with the vitamin oil. You get the tablets of vitamin and you just poke the pen inside and get the liquid from the oil from the inside and just apply it. It works amazing. It gives you the radiance skin glow just in overnight when you wake up, and you just have that outstanding radiance glow on your face. And before you going to bed, and massage it and apply it on your face, vitamin oil or avocado oil or facial oil, apply it on your face, and when you wake up and you will just get the best and radiance glow on your face. Next thing is just time to bye bye to say to puffy eyes and dark circles, and you just take a small amount of almond oil or coffee oil and apply using your ring finger, because ring finger has the lesser pressure. When you apply anything under your eyes using the ring finger, and it gives you less pressure on your eye because it's a really thin layer under your eyes, and it works like softly under your eyes. And apply that almond oil before you getting sleep, or you can use coffee oil, and it will when you wake up and the puffy eyes gone, and also it day by day it works amazing for your dark circles as well. Now when you talk about these soft hands, exfoliate your hands. You just take olive oil and take brown sugar, mix them and just exfoliate your hands. And then after that massage it with the shea butter, or if you are not feeling like, if you can wear the soft gloves, you can wear it and sleep it, and when you wake up and you will get these soft baby soft hands. Now we talk about the wrinkles, and if you guys know that the silk pillowcase prevent you from breakouts, from the wrinkles and even the hair breakage. And sleeping on a satin pillow reduce the friction to prevent breakup and the frizzy hair as well. And satin pillow also reduces the stress, so the skin won't wake up the fine lines or wrinkles, and it works amazing for your wrinkles. And must sleep on the silk pillowcase, and it will also help your breakouts, for your like hair breakouts or frizziness or many other stuff, and especially for the wrinkles it will give you the best. Last but not least, it's time to talk about the pimples or the acne. That is the, like in teens, they are the current topic that it's worth. Like if you want to that spot like goes overnight, and just dab a diluted tea tree oil on the area where you have the pimples or redness of pimple. Especially do not apply with the finger. Always take to clean Q-tip. Take the tea tree oil on the Q-tip and apply it on it. If your hands have bacteria, the problems get spread, and if you using the Q-tip, and it will just goes on that area, and it works on that area only. If you work on the fingers, and it might work those everywhere, and you will end up getting you will end up spreading the thing all over your face. So always use Q-tip applying on your face or something, not using direct fingers on your thing. It will like give bacteria get into your skin and causing many problems to your skin. Mind it, always drink a lot of water. It will hydrate your skin, it gives that youthful glow to your skin, and it also works the problem of acne. If you deal with the problems of like this acne, you will also switch up your normal tea to green tea. It works amazing. It gives that flushed out all the bad thing from your like skin. It gives you that radiance glow, and you can even drink that you can even also drink these detox water to get these skin problems getting detox from your body, and you will get the youthful bright skin, and also the acne free skin. So that's all for this chit chatty beauty 10. So that's all for this 10 overnight beauty tips, and I love enjoying this chit chatting video. And if you guys love this too, just comment down below and let me know again, or I will also do another chit chat video with you guys. I love to talk with you, and it is my first chit chat video since I started my YouTube, but I loved it, and if I have knowledge, I don't have any like thing that I don't want to share with you. Okay, I'm here only with sharing my thoughts with you, and I also use these things in my life also, and I also recommend you try these things. Comment down below if you like this or not, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up to this video, and do not forget that red button to subscribe to my channel, and also hit that little bell to next to the subscribe button. You will get notified whenever I upload video. Whenever I upload video, you will get personally notified on your mobile phones, and or you get personally emailed when I upload video. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye.